Hello everyone, today we're going to be making some homemade wontons. As you can see, I bought this package, very inexpensive, $2.39 at the grocery store, and it's the perfect little square to make your homemade wontons. The first thing you need to do is lay it out flat, wet both edges, just the corners. Get yourself about a teaspoon of this wonderful pork mix that I've made today, and you take your edges, clip each corner, squeeze the corners out, make sure you got all the air out. You don't want to overstuff your wonton or else the meat will come out when you're boiling them. And then you take your little corners, wet one corner, squeeze the center, and make your little butterfly. And here you have the perfect wonton. It's very easy to make. I usually freeze some for future use. You'll also enjoy them in a nice cabbage soup or a miso soup. And as you can see, once you've piled up your wontons, you can freeze them and just take them out as you need them. Here's the finished product.